Ako po si Russell Ban. Inikot po natin ang buong Pilipinas 7,000 kilometers in 12 days. Gamit po natin ang GTO. Can you just imagine how the machine contained the heat? And the run for 12 days is tremendously tiring on our part. But ginaya po ng motor natin. And can you just imagine, we are just arriving a 200cc motorcycle all over the country. Gamit po natin to. Hindi po nagawa ng sinong big biker yung ginawa natin. We are just too confident, baby, at that time that we are fit and we have GTO. On behalf of Jason Tupas and Christian Aguirre, this is Russell Ban of Lakbayin ng Pilipinas saying, may our Heavenly Father ride with us.